Hi guys, today we are gonna be erupting a volcano. I already added some dishwash inside, and now we are gonna add some of the food coloring. It could be any color, but it should be like orange, and it should be orange or red, both neither. And we added some food color. That's good. And then you need to add some baking soda, like a bit more, and then some vinegar. And here you go, the vinegar. Oh, it's already erupting right. It's a volcano. It's coming up. It's erupting right now. Bye.